Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Nano Banana not working. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing you should do is open the Google Play Store or the App Store on iPhone and make sure your Gemini app is fully updated to the latest version. Nano Banana is a relatively new image generation model that's built directly into Gemini, so if your app is outdated, the feature may not work properly. In most cases, simply updating the app is enough to fix the issue. Once the app is updated, open Gemini and before asking it to generate any images, switch to a newer model such as the 2.5 Fast model or another recent option. Nano Banana is known to work specifically with the 2.5 model, so select it first, write a simple prompt, and then check if Gemini successfully generates an image using the Nano Banana model. Another common reason Nano Banana may not work is a slow or unstable internet connection. If you're currently using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data, or if you're on mobile data, switch to a strong Wi-Fi network. You can also test your internet speed by visiting a site like Speed Test and tapping on Go. For Nano Banana and Gemini to work smoothly, you generally need around 10 to 15 megabytes per second download speed, along with a stable connection that doesn't drop frequently. Finally, Nano Banana might not be working simply because too many people are using it at the same time. Since it's a brand new feature, heavy traffic can put extra load on Google servers. In this case, there's nothing wrong with your phone or app. The best solution is to wait for a few hours and try again later. Once usage levels go back to normal, Nano Banana usually starts working without any changes on your end. And that's it. So that is how you can fix Nano Banana not working. So that's all for this video. Thanks.